The electric standing desk from Vari is simple to assemble. It can be done in just a few minutes. In the large box, you'll find the desktop, and in the smaller box are the legs and everything else you'll need, including tools and hardware. Leave the desktop face down in the box to protect the surface during assembly. If you purchase the optional cable management tray, you'll want to attach that first by screwing in the cable tray brackets and sliding the cable tray onto the brackets until it clicks into place. Then run the power cord through the cable tray. To attach the legs, insert the top of the legs into the grooves in the metal frame and push them outward until they click into place. Use the smaller hex key to securely tighten each leg with the screws and washers provided. Next, lower the control box into the middle cavity of the metal frame and slide it into place. Then connect the leg cables into the corresponding control box inputs. Attach the control panel by sliding it into the bracket and connecting the cable to the corresponding control box input. Keep in mind, the control panel can be placed on the right or left side, so if the bracket isn't on the side you prefer, simply remove it and screw it into the pre-drilled holes on the other side before attaching the control panel. The included adhesive clips help you keep the control panel cord out of the way. Connect the power cord into the corresponding control box input. Now attach the feet to the legs using the larger hex key to secure them into place using the screws provided. Grab some help and flip the desk over. If your floor isn't level, rotate the foot levelers. Plug in your desk and you're ready to set up the control panel. On the first use, start by pressing the down button on the control panel. Release it when the desk reaches its lowest position. Then, press and hold the down button again until the LED display reads RST. Now, press and hold the 1 button until the LED display reads 10.1 for one-touch operation or 10.2 for constant touch operation. When it displays the operation setting you prefer, release the 1 button and wait for the display to return to RST. Finish the process by pressing and holding the down button until the desk lowers, slightly rises, and stops. Your desk is now ready to use. You can program up to 4 height settings by raising or lowering the desk to your desired height, pressing the M button, and then pressing 1, 2, 3, or 4. The electric standing desk is part of the full collection of office furniture and accessories from Vari. To see how you can elevate your workspace, making it happier, healthier, and more productive, go to Vari.com today.